Google Ads myth number 2. The more keywords you add, the better your campaign will perform. It sounds logical. More keywords should mean more traffic, right? Well, not necessarily. Hey, I'm Jasmin and I teach Google Ads in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Welcome to my Google Ads Myth series, where I bust common misconceptions that can hurt your campaigns. My last video was the first video in my new myth series. Let's jump into myth 2. So, myth number 2. The more keywords you add, the better your campaign will perform. First of all, why beginners add too many keywords? When people create the first campaigns, they often think, yeah, the more keywords I add, the more customers I get. So they will end up adding like 50 or 100 or even 200 keywords in a single campaign. But the problem is, your budget doesn't increase just because you add more keywords. Instead, you are spreading the budget across more searches. So that usually means less data per keyword, slower learning, and harder optimization. Let me give you an example. So here is a campaign for a taxi company in Melbourne. Let's say you have an ad group and you have let's say a daily budget of $20, but you target 10 highly relevant keywords. That would be very good. For example, taxi Melbourne, taxi cab booking, book a taxi near me. So these are very relevant keywords. But option number 2, you could also target 50 different keywords. So with the same budget, Google has to spread your spend across way more search terms. So as a result, many keywords may receive very few clicks or none at all. So what do I recommend? For most beginners, I recommend starting with 5 to 15 highly relevant keywords per ad group. Focus on keywords with a strong buying intent. Once you've collected enough data, you can always expand your keywords later. And if you want to know more about the keywords and the ad group structure, check out the following video, which is linked here. It's very simple. Quality simply beats quantity. I would rather have 10 keywords that generate leads than having 50 keywords that never collect enough data to optimize properly. So, as a quick recap, remember, more keywords doesn't automatically mean better performance. Instead, focus on relevance, keep your account organized, and expand only after you have collected enough data. If you found this myth helpful, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe my YouTube channel. So over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing more Google Ads myths to help you avoid common beginner mistakes and get better results from your campaigns. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Google Ads myth.